look at my place for the next few days. Wow, this is so cool. Hi people, let me go look at the bathroom. Alright, not bad. Let's look at the balcony. Oh, it's a lot. Ooh, this is a nice rice field. Since I've been in Japan, I've been saying I'm going to Bali, I'm going to Bali, and I'm finally in Bali. This is like a dream come true. This is an actual dream come true, guys. Anyways, I stopped at the supermarket. I didn't get to record much because according to these people, we weren't supposed to record. Anyways, I bought Lay's, I bought pineapple juice, I bought grapes, and I bought 2 mangoes. So I'm gonna eat 1 mango right now because you girl, you guys, they don't know. Mango is my favorite, my absolute favorite fruit. So I'm gonna go wash it and I'm gonna eat. I should have bought more mangoes. Oh my god. I'm gonna eat the mango and then I'm gonna go get some food. And I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna plan my day. Oh, it's raining. Guys, I just came off the road. It's 7:40 now. Let me tell you something. I will never go out that late again. You know, like country area where bush, a lot of insects, all of that. That's what it was. And I was walking on the road. The road is not so lit. Like, it's not that much light on the road. And then it's like water, like maybe rice field or something. I didn't carry my camera because I was gonna do takeout, but then when I went there, I decided to just eat there and done. Let me show you guys the food. I took a picture. My phone is dying too. The food was okay, I'm not gonna lie. Yeah, so the food was okay. It's like a fried rice type of thing. 𝐦𝐤𝐤𝐞. I won't even try to pronounce it, but it's rice with vegetable and I got mango juice, so it's pretty good. So now I'm gonna figure out how to charge my phone because the sockets here are totally different. See, right here, this is actually a socket. So I'm gonna probably have to call the front desk and ask them if they have like a converter or something. And then I'm gonna take a shower. I'm gonna take a shower and then I'm gonna plan my day for tomorrow. I'm going with a tour guide because I need to plan my activities and all of that. Because girl gonna get lit. Alright guys, so I'll see you guys tomorrow. Morning guys. Don't mind the mess, but I'm in a rush. Guys, it's 4:30 a.m. I have to get up early today. According to the tour guide, where we're going is a very crowded area, so we gotta go from early so that we'll be able to join the line to take pictures. Can you imagine? I'm waking up at 4:08. Well, I woke up at 3:30 so I can get ready for 4:30 just to take pictures. But we're going to the eastern part of the island, so that's another reason. So we're gonna have to be driving for a long time. Okay, so I'm almost ready pretty much. Let me just text the guy to find out because he messaged me, so I want to know. Oh, he's already here. Can you imagine? No. Anyways, so I'm gonna go down. I'm gonna put on some lip gloss. Guys, I didn't want to wear any bra, but I had to because this outfit is too revealing to be in these Bali streets, showing up my body. Yeah. Anyways, see you guys in a few. So why do we wear the sari thingy?
Yeah, because everywhere you go to the temple, everywhere over here in Bali, you have to use the sarung. It is like a traditional costume in Bali to wear sarung.
My tour guide gave me food, guys. So this is rice and banana.
So in this area, there are 6 temples.
Okay.
And this one is the first temple. When you hike up, like, you need 2 hours to reach the top one, the temple number 6. So like walking 2 hours in the hills. And then when you go back, it will be 2 hours also, like going to this place again.
Alright guys, so before I forget, so I paid 45,000 for the shuttle bus, and then I paid 55 to enter. So just in case I forget the figures, I'm letting you guys know that when you come to Bali, you know what to expect. What's like 400? I don't know. But now we're just waiting because I got a number, so I'm waiting on my number to be called for me to go there and take the picture. But it's like 6 a.m. still. Alright guys, so we just finished taking pictures at Heaven's Gate. How do you say the name of the temple?
It's called Lempuyang Temple. Lempuyang Temple, or you can say Gate of Heaven.
Okay, and then next we're going to
Tirta Gangga, so the koi fish garden, the royal palace.
here's the Royal Palace.
Yeah, so the water palace.
We have this in Jamaica, 1, 2, but not this type. And this is apple in Jamaica.
No.
Oh, in Jamaica we say apple.
Apple.
We say 𝐿𝐸𝐷 apple. Wait, which one you say passion?
This one.
Okay, so do you want some? Come, maybe that's too many. Okay, yeah, 2, only 2. How does it taste?
Bali ini we call it salad.
Sour?
No sour. It's not sugar.
Sweet?
Sweet.
Okay, I'll try it.
How does it taste?
Sweet.
Yeah, it's sweet. I'll have 2.
2.
Yeah.
Big, small.
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 2 small ones. 4 bananas, please.
2 banana.
Yeah. This is the rice field.
Yeah, this is rice field.
So you were telling us about the 7 regencies.
Yeah, Regency, the biggest one. The first thing, Indonesia is our country, and after Indonesia, down there, it is Bali province, and after Bali, smaller than province, it is Regency. So after Bali province, here in Bali, we have 7 Regency. I'm gonna tell you about. Like every regency still have their royal families. This place called Karangasem Regency, which is the royal family on this place.
So where is your house, or where do they live?
This place called Tirta Gangga
So there are 7 regencies in Indonesia or in Bali.
in Bali province. After Regency, we have district, like like in Gianyar Regency. Gianyar Regency have district like Ubud, Tegalalang, and then Payangan. It is a smaller than the Regency. There's district. Smaller than district, we have village. So everything in village has control. Like we have a leader in the village. We have everything for that to control, to protect. To do everything like health. Everything is under control here in Bali. It's totally different with the other part of Indonesia. We're still following our culture, like the old times. We still have a king in each place of the regency. Like in Ubud, we still have the king. We still have the royal temple over there, like the royal family also over there in Ubud. And we still have a kingdom over there in Ubud. And then this is the different part of Ubud. So this is Karangasem, the east part of Bali. They also have a king over here. And then this is the place for the royal family. These places belong to the royal family, but they open it into the public place. So like everyone can come in here.
Hey guys, I'm just walking around, exploring this place. And then I'm gonna be taking some more pictures. This place is really like calming and relaxing. The sun is hot as hell, but once you're in the shade, it's cool and feels really nice. Hello. Let me give them some food. Ooh, these guys are hungry. Here at this restaurant by myself. I'm the only person that's here. The tour guide is in the car because he ate breakfast. So I woke up from 3:30, so I didn't eat anything. I had fruits, and I bought fruits too. I ordered sweet and sour fish with coconut water. Waiting on my food and talking to my boo. Thank you very much. Guys, I always cut things, so I might leave this in or might cut it out. Let me take out the tissue. I don't know. Let's see if you make it on the vlog. Guys, rewarded ice cream. Is that the highest mountain?
The highest mountain, it is.
Where are you from?
Where do you think I'm from?
America?
No.
South Africa?
No.
No?
My country is close to America. Where do you think? It's a very small island.
Small island.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Begins with J.
J?
Yeah. Jamaica.
Jamaica.
Yes.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. And your name?
My name is Putu.
Putu.
Putu. Yeah. And how about you?
I'm Sash.
Sash. Yeah.
Yeah.
We have a coffee tree. And also this is the coffee bean as well. And then for the coffee that we harvest when the color that will become red color. And then we have two types of coffee, Arabica and Robusta coffee. But mostly for Balinese people that we're growing Arabica coffee. And then for Arabica coffee in this place, that's we try to combine with different flavor. You can try, we have coconut coffee.
Nice.
We have vanilla coffee. We have ginseng coffee, mocha coffee, and avocado coffee.
Okay.
So you can try everything inside.
All right. Nice.
You drink coffee every day?
No, not every day.
Not every day, yeah. And also, this is we have ginseng as well. Some countries like in China, Korea, ginseng they use for traditional medicine, and also they use for ingredient of herbal tea as well. Because ginseng is good for energy, good for blood circulation, and also good for memory. But in here, for the ginseng that we use for flavor of coffee,
Okay.
we roast it together with coffee. And also, this is we have cacao. This one is a coffee.
Oh, that comes from chocolate.
Yes, that we use for chocolate. Later inside, you can try we have hot chocolate, the original taste because we not put any milk and sugar. And also this is luwak. You heard about luwak coffee?
No.
Luwak coffee, that's coffee from poo of animal.
From animal?
Yeah, that's coffee from this animal because this animal is luwak. This animal eat coffee bean but not chewing the bean, they only swallow the bean. And then process in stomach like fermentation. And then coming out from the poo, that whole bean, and then the poo from this animal that we wash, we dry, and then we roast it. That's we call luwak coffee.
So it comes from the animal's body.
Yes, luwak coffee, that is the most expensive coffee in the world. Because in some country outside of Indonesia, like in Europe, 1 cup of this coffee, they charge more than $50. That's just 1 cup. Yeah, and then luwak coffee that's coming very, very special because when the luwak eat coffee bean, that selected the bean, they choose only the best quality of coffee. And also, this animal as well have special enzyme, the reduce acid content from coffee bean. That's why for luwak coffee, there's less caffeine and less acidity. When the people have problem with stomach, that's still okay drink luwak coffee. But in here, we charge not expensive for luwak coffee. In here, there's only.
I don't know if I want to try. I don't know if I want to try it though.
Yeah.
No.
And then this is we have any sample of spices as well. What we have, ginger. This is we have turmeric or curcuma, and this one, this is the poo from the animal. This is how we do roasting coffee. We do like this. We not put any machine. What is this traditional process? For one time to roasting that 30 minutes, until the color of coffee will become like this. You can smell it. This is luwak
Yeah,
coffee.
I smell it.
This is luwak coffee, and then you can compare with this one normal coffee.
Oh.
And then before here we need to grind it as well.
So do they bite?
Sorry?
The luwak, do they bite?
Yeah, that's like aggressive animal.
They are aggressive.
You can try all of this. This is everything for free, just for the free tester.
Okay. So I'm getting free coffee right here.
This is have chocolate, chili, salt, cinnamon, cappuccino, vanilla, orange, and this is dark chocolate. You can try everything. And then this is for the tea. You like it? Maybe you want this one, then we steam and roast it.
Yes.
Can you want this one as well?
Yeah.
And the steam.
Thank you. This one is here. Let me take a different one.
Tears are a proof of failure. You just gotta let them flow without judge. There's so many ways to be happy. You can do whatever you like. You don't have to be ready. You just gotta trust the right. Don't have to be scary.
Relax. Yes, you can.
There's so many ways to be happy.
Come to Bali, enjoy the swing, and use the dress here in 𝐿𝐸𝐤𝐤 with me. This is me. Hi.